In this video, I am going to show you how to knit PTBL, purl through the back loop. Hi, this is Ari from Purl Arts and Crafts. I talked about knit through the back loops the other day to create this pretty stitch. But what if you are on the wrong side and trying to keep this look? That's where purl through the back loop comes in. When we purl normally, we bring the yarn forward and insert the right needle into the front of the stitch from right to left and then purl. To purl through the back loop, we are going to insert the needle into the back loop, but not like in this motion, because this is going to be knit through the back loop. So instead of going from right to left, we are going from left to right. So turn the work a little bit and then insert the needle kind of from the back to front and then purl. Let's try again. Turn the work, insert the right needle from the back to forward and then purl. And that's all you need to know to purl through the back loop. I work really hard to make my tutorials clear and easy, so if you think it is helpful, please hit like and subscribe to support this channel. I have a separate video of how to knit twisted rib pattern using this stitch. You can check out the next video. Thank you for watching. Happy knitting!